Hey, it's me and welcome to this week's vlog. Right now, I'm packing and organizing all of my gear for the winter. And I figured while I'm doing this, it would be a good opportunity to let all you guys know what's going on for the winter. First of all, I'm in Campbell River right now, still at my grandpa's house. On Friday, which is that tomorrow? No way, that's tomorrow. Yeah, that's tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to Nanaimo to Air House to jump on trampolines with the Freestyle Club. And then after Air House tomorrow, I'm going with Kat to her place on residence at VIU. And I'm going to stay with her for a bit. And eventually I'm going to have to come back to Campbell River because my gear from Ripcurl still hasn't arrived. And it's been about a month. So, Canada Post, if any of your employees are watching this, please stop being on strike. Like, I really need my stuff. Totally ruining my plans. Anyway, after I've gotten my gear, I can go to my mother's house in Whistler and I can be there anytime after the 2nd of December. And I'm going to my mom's house for Christmas, obviously. I'm going to be there for pretty much the entire month of December, skiing around, celebrating Christmas, seeing family, all of that glorious stuff. After that, I'm moving to Red Mountain. I don't have a place to live in Red. I don't have a job. I don't have really any money right now. And I'm going to go and live in my car. So me and the Audi are going to go on a big adventure to Rossland Trail, BC. And we're going to really do some bonding. It's probably going to be really cold sleeping in there and pretty tough to figure out what I'm going to eat, how I'm going to live, all that stuff. As well as stuff as simple as charging my camera so I can make my vlogs and having my computer plugged in so I can edit them. It's going to be really interesting to figure out, and a kind of a self-searching exploration of myself, who I really am and how I can make it through. But really, I think at the end of the day, it's going to encourage me to start working out more so I can use the shower at the gym, and reading more because I'll be at the library all the time charging my stuff. But I'm really excited to go to Red, and I'm really excited to start skiing, and I'm really excited to finally have something cool to show in my vlogs. Anyway, enough of that. I have more packing to do, and I gotta organize my car so I can sleep in it and all that other good stuff. Here's the time lapse. Alright, I guess that's packed enough for now. I don't have any ski gear to throw in there because Canada Post, come on. Plus I'm going to find some stuff that I would have forgotten by now and realize, oh my goodness, I need this. So I guess I'll go zip the bag up and just leave it in my room for the day and then fire it in my car tomorrow on my way to Nanaimo. So I'm going to go throw all this stuff in my car, and it's pouring rain. Gosh. Yeah, it's wet here. So, go throw the camera inside my car right now. So I did a couple loads to my car, and my jacket's already pretty wet. Anyways, I'm gonna take you into the back and show you my new crib. Alright, so here's my new sleeping arrangement for a bit of the winter until I figure something else out. Basically, this headrest here is the back of the passenger seat, and my legs extend all the way into the trunk there. So my bed's all set up on the right side of the car, and then on the left side of the car we have my ski bag, which is filled with, my boots are in there, and my ski gear that needs to stay warm. And then in the white, that's my sleeping bag that's gonna just be here all the time when I fill up my car with food. And then in the back there, that's my stove on top and all my cooking supplies. I have this nice shelf here I can put things on. And then obviously I also have on the roof, my roof box where I can keep my skis, poles, and refrigerated food because I'm gonna be in a cold place. Anything that can just be cold will be up there. All the things that I have to wear that have to stay warm are going to be in here so that, like, when I put on my ski boots, the plastic isn't completely frozen and I'll actually be able to put them on and my feet will be warm when I do that. I mean, I'm gonna do my best to find like a real place to stay and sleep in, I think, and so that I have like a kitchen and a shower and a bathroom. But it's not gonna be that bad, I don't think, in here this winter. It's not that bad right now. I think I'm gonna enjoy this adventure. Anyway, that's the end of the vlog for this week. I'll catch you next Monday, and I'll make sure I keep you posted on my future plans for all my vlogs this winter.